Right, so I'm going to squeeze out this milk because I need it to give it that flavor. Need it to give it that flavor. And you know, this something not blend out good, you know, hold on. You know, blend out good at all. You know, blend out good, hold on. I'm going to put it on the right setting. It's not being put on the right setting. Right, let me see which one it is now. Hold on. Mixing, blending. Oh God. I hope it's done much better. That look better. That look better. Yeah, that look better. Yeah, that's better. Nadine, did I ask about the hose? This is Jamaica, guys. When you're doing something in the kitchen, there's always somebody asking for something to do something, and you have to leave and go and do it. So that's just Jamaica, yeah? That's Jamaica for you. Right? That's how it roll out here. Alright, guys, let me just catch some. I'm gonna leave the coconut. I'm gonna say that's something I'm going to do. 1 minute. Hold on. Yeah. So that's done now. So at least I have the milk. That's the liquid. And it can take, listen, it can full up, get thick quick enough. So you have to be careful. You have to be careful. Where's my knife? I have nothing but the worst knife here. The worst knife ever. They have the worst knife here, guys. Oh, I'm gonna need the blender to blend up the plantain. So let's wash it out and bring it over. Right, so I've got the coconut milk out the way. Now it's time for the plantain. So yes.